One of the student team projects this summer quarter 2010 was redoing the control panel for the fish hatchery in Bellingham Technical College. Bellingham Technical College is the only college in the state of Washington that has its own operating fish hatchery, and for the past several years the instrumentation students have been putting instrumentation here to measure various parameters like water flow, water temperature, water level, things of that nature. And before, what we had in this box was a small PLC made by Automation Direct. We also had a data acquisition unit made by National Instruments. And between those two devices we would acquire and log data about various parameters in the hatchery. Well, for summer 2010 we decided to expand the system quite a bit. We installed this Allen Bradley SLC 500 PLC. It's a 504 processor. We've got a 16-channel analog input card. This is a 1746-NI16i. We also have 16 channels of DC syncing discrete input and 16 channels of DC sourcing discrete output. We're mostly using this just to measure right now. In fact, right now we have no outputs hooked up at all. We're measuring several analog channels in. We're also measuring a single discrete input for counting fish that go through a pipe. So it's a pretty interesting system. We haven't changed anything with the field instruments in this quarter. All we did is we swapped out the old PLC and data acquisition unit to put in this new PLC. And of course, along with this is a lot of programming that goes on here to scale the input variables properly. The next stage, next couple of weeks, we're going to be outfitting this system with an HMI. Eventually it's going to be an Automation Direct Seymour touchscreen HMI panel, a really nice 15-inch diagonal display. We don't have that yet, and so in the interim we're probably going to set up an HMI based on a personal computer, most likely using the free Advanced HMI software, which is a Visual Basic application. So anyway, that's what my students have been doing here with their PLC project in the fish hatchery, and we're really looking forward to this new system. We have way more processing power and logging power here with this Allen Bradley than we did with the previous system, and we're looking forward to bigger and better things at the hatchery.